Alright guys, so peeling off some sound deadener here. A little scrap. I think, no, wait. There it is. I like to cut them into smaller pieces. Every piece of every corner. There's a lot of this car. Guys. It's good. So, passenger seat is, or passenger side I should say, is practically done. I went all the way back in here, all the way back to basically where the baffle's gonna be. Everything right here. I'm gonna, do that. Do all of this along here and the sides. Maybe throw a little up there. Thinking of doing that piece right there, and then I'm just gonna finish with this little trim piece, and then the passenger side is completely done, and I get to do it all over again on the next side. So that's it for today. I'm gonna finish, pack everything up right now, and yeah, tomorrow's another day, and there'll be more to come, guys. Later.
Just listen to the bass.